Fix in 5. Got a P0563? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, cell, illuminated, battery overcharge warning or dashboard indicator, electrical system performance degradation, potential battery or alternator malfunction. Now the most likely causes. Faulty alternator voltage regulator, alternator output excessive, battery voltage sensor malfunction, wiring issues in charging circuit, engine control module, ECM, fault. Here's how a pro pins it down. Alternator voltage regulator malfunction, integrated or X. Faulty alternator, excessively charging due to internal FA. Poor ground connections, especially between engine block A. Battery issues, incorrect type, age, or internal fault cow. ECM, PCM sensor or wiring fault, false readings due to HARN. Aftermarket accessories improperly installed, causing feed. How to fix it? Replace alternator voltage regulator. Replace faulty alternator. Repair or replace damaged wiring in charging circuit. Clean battery terminals and connections. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly €120 minus 350 doing it yourself, or Euro 240 to 470 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0563? Short trips may be possible with P0563 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0563. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.